Good evening, Professor. Today we'll be performing a depth first search on this graph. This is our starting node and this is our goal node, and we also have a cycle in this graph. As you can see, the node 5 is pointing to node 2. So we'll see further how this impacts our search. So first, it's a depth first search, and all the searches of trees start from the left side. So from node 0 it will go to node 1, then further going to node 3. Then after that, as node 3 has no further node, it will go back to node 1, then going to node 4. Similarly, no further nodes, so going back to node 1, backtracking and going to node 5. Node 5, as you can see, further points to node 2. So our algorithm will go to node 2, and after that node 2 further points to node 6. And then there is no further node, so we will backtrack all the way to the second node. This cycle, as you can see, will cost us 2 more nodes. Then there are 2 transfers to the 2 nodes more than one time. So node 2 and node 6 will be traversed again, which will make our search a little bit more unoptimal as cycles do. So it'll go to node 2, then node 6, and then after all of the left side is done, it will go to node 7 and the deepest node on the leftmost side, which is node 8, and then finally our node 9 will be reached. Because we transverse node 2 and node 6 2 times, and I've made this graph in such a way that we go to the node 9th at last after transversing all the nodes. So in total it will take us 12 nodes to get to the node 9th. Let's see. As you can see, nodes expanded are 12, and the path cost is 2, because I've just to make things simple set the path cost to be 2, each vertice's cost to be 1. Now let's change the search algorithm and do breadth first on this, and let's see how the cycle is also impacted on this graph. So first we'll begin from node 0, and as there is no other node on this level, it will go to node 1, which is the leftmost node. But rather than going to node 3, which is the deepest node on the leftmost side, it will go to node 2, as in breadth first search we first search through all the nodes on the same level. So after going to node 2, it will go to node 7. After checking all the nodes on the level 1, then it will go further into the deeper level, which is going to be the level 2. This is level 0, level 1, level 2, and on level 2 it will first transfers through node 3, node 4, then it will go to node 5. But since node 2 would be a deeper level from the perspective of node 5, that it will not transverse to node 2. It will go back to the node 2 and then go to node 6. It will not take this path then, and because of this we will not transverse through these nodes 2 times, and the total then transfers through these nodes 2 times. Then we'll go to because the node 9th is on level 3, but if we go to node 2 via node 5, that's on the 4th level, so we'll not go that deep, which will save us some times in our iterations. So after that, after transversing through here, then we'll go to node 7. Node 7, the leftmost node to the node 7, which is node 8. Then finally we'll go to node 9, and the total nodes transversed would be 9. Let's see. As you can see, the total node expanded were 10. because we didn't have to go through the this cycle second time, because they were on the cycle is on level 4, and our solution, the our goal node is on level 3, so we didn't go to that. And there are total 10 nodes, so it took us total 10 nodes that were expanded. This was breadth first search.